Hey guys, this is John Hilliard from JT's Vending. Hey, just want to let you guys know this upcoming video, this clip that I'm about to show you guys, it's me and a hired mover helping me move 2 vending machines to a location, and I failed to measure twice. And what I mean by that, like in carpentry, we're told to measure twice, cut once. And what I did, I just didn't measure twice. I measured once, oh, normal standard door, blah blah blah, and left. Got the vending machine, made sure the standard width and length was fine. Got there and was missing an additional 4 inches because of the additional lip that they added to the door frame of the location it was going to seal the door itself so the cold air would stay in. So got there and had some problems, so you'll see in the video it took me 2 days. A day I struggled, had to take the door apart, but I ran out of time, had to go get my kids, and then the second day I woke up bright and early, 8, and I was ready to go, and I knocked it out. So you'll see a clip of that. You'll hear me go day 2. That was my second day. I got there, took the door off, took the front end off, turned it sideways, and got it on in. So persistence pays off. And then you'll see I'll add some like clips of after we got it in and got it fixed up and got it loaded. But enjoy the clip, guys. Au revoir, a bientôt. Hey guys, this is John Hilliard from JT's Vending. Sorry I forgot to start the video earlier, but I have a soda and 1 snack machine that's going out this morning. We're going out in a few minutes to one of our new locations we just acquired. And I'll come back to you when I get a chance to get to the new location to show you guys how we move it and getting it done. I'm strapped in, getting ready. Alright guys, so right now we at the new location. We're right now into this area right here. We got to pull the box truck here and go from here. Like pull it in here, bag up, so we don't have to deal with so much gravel and so many rocks. Right here and go up these stairs. So, place it. And this break room. Alright guys, sorry to report, this is day 2. So what I failed to realize is the machine without the door will be wide enough to go in. But even having the door off, this front part is still like right here. This will still be too wide to go on the door, to go on this door. I did the measurements yesterday, so I'm trying to figure out how to get this bad boy in here.